Welcome back everyone. Apologies for the long delay since the last update on the Lotus. We have been videoing things and we have been doing things to it. I just haven't had time to edit the videos and get them up. So today we're going to be looking at getting the engine out of the Elise. What Paul's doing here is moving the axle stands. It's on axle stands at the moment, and when we take the engine out, we're going to suddenly take a load of weight off the back of the car. So we need to reposition them to be ready for less weight at the back and put a couple of extra ones at the front, moving the axle stands, cleaning up the area, and just getting ready for removing the engine. In a minute, Paul will give a good overview of what we're going to do. But if there's anything in particular that you want us to focus on, if you are doing this yourself, feel free to put a message in the comments and I'll reply back with how and what we did if you can't see it on the video. Basically, this video is get the engine out, have a good look at the state of it, and then work out what we're going to do with that block. We have actually done a lot to it already, so more videos to come very quickly after this one. Okay, over to Paul. What do you reckon?
Yes, is what I reckon. I reckon we need to split the exhaust first.
No, there are not bolt heads in there.
Yeah, I cleaned them out. I thought I'd have a look, and they look like they'll come out. So these supports need to come off.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking if we split the exhaust off of that front mount.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unbolt the f***ing throttle cable that's bolted to the subframe, or the sump. It's like, that's a good idea, wouldn't it? Tosses. So, and then unbolt the throttle cable, move that out the way. Then we can pull the drive shafts and make a mess. Split the rocker mount of the engine. Move this ECU plate. And then really it should just be these 5 or 6 bolts. And then this will take the exhaust with it. Still attached onto here. We should be able to then take this off. Should just hopefully like tilt and slide off. Famous last words, but that's the plan, I reckon.
Easy.
Yeah, easy, aren't we? Probably. Just can't see what the challenge is. So, should we try that? Should we see what happens?
At all this loom so I can see where it all goes.
Why, can't you remember?
I can remember if I put it together tomorrow. Because you can get to the inside.
Yeah. but I don't know. That's what needs to come out.
What is it, 14?
13. How hard do I pull it before I break it? Oh, I don't know. It felt like I was going to go then.
Something's moving. Is that the head coming off?
That's spinning. Okay. Well, so I'm now...
Round? You're now 12.
So I'm now going to be a 12-sided...
Put a crayon in it.
Get a crayon on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can't get to it.
Put the socket on.
I don't know why I've got such a long extension, if I'm honest. I might need a bigger ratchet though.
Pull it off.
Yeah, that's... Oh yeah!
You going?
See?
Unfortunately, at this point, we seem to have had a GoPro error because apparently 1 minute later it looked like this. Now this is obviously a little bit more than 1 minute. It wasn't that much longer, we're nearly there. We're just a few more bolts and then put that dolly underneath and dropped it down. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. Look
that
at
pipe is awful, isn't it?
Look at this. Yeah. Nothing that won't clean up though. On the engine, that is. So lots to clean up, lots to replace. Engine mount definitely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and the next video won't be too long, and we'll see you soon.